If you have a spreadsheet with several merged cells and you need to identify them, then this video is for you. Note in this example that I have a spreadsheet in which I need to identify it and check if there are merged cells. So the first step is to select the cells in which you want to find the merged cells. In this case, I will select the entire spreadsheet by clicking here on this triangle in the upper left corner of the spreadsheet. Now, I will access the Home tab, Find and select Find. In Find and Replace, click on the Options button. Excel will expand the box and show some additional options. In front of Find What field, click on the Format button. Excel will open the Find Format box. Here, you will select the Alignment tab and check the Merge Cells option. Then, click OK. Now, to finish, here in the Find and Replace box, click on the Find All button. And note that if there are merged cells in your spreadsheet, Excel will show the range below. In this way, you can select a fill color to highlight them, or you can also remove all the merges by selecting all the ranges here in the list, and then you simply access the Home tab and uncheck the Merge and Center option. To finish, close the box. And that's it. Now, all the cells will no longer be merged. This tip is very interesting to save you time because depending on the size of your spreadsheet, find the merged cells manually can be a very laborious process. I hope I helped, and if you like this content, I'm sure you will also like this another video that I left there in the cards. See you next time!